Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we are going to be replacing the transmission in a 22-inch Recycler Toro push mower. So, let's get started. Make sure you remove the spark plug before working on this. We're going to stand the mower on its front end to make it easier to work on. We're going to remove the two rear wheels. Then the 5 screws holding the discharge chute. The 5th one is behind the door here. Then the chute will simply slide out. Too much wet grass will decrease the efficiency of the mower. Always clean the mower after every use. Now we're going to be removing the spur gear. Remove the snap ring first. Then slide the gear off. There's a washer behind it. Then we will do the same on the other side. Unclip the engagement cable. Then remove the cable from the transmission. Remove the blade. The blade adapter with the pulley should slide off. There's a spacer inside. It shouldn't come out. Now, we're going to remove the belt cover screws. And the belt cover. Now, you can remove the belt from the crankshaft. Using some emery cloth or sandpaper, clean any rust or grass appropriately 2 inches from the underside on the shaft. This will aid with the removal. Then using a 1/2-inch socket, remove the 4 bolts from the sides of the rear height adjusters. Two on each side. This will make it easier to remove the transmission. Remove the transmission short soft side first. You might need to tap the long shade side to get that side out. Be sure to compare and inspect the new transmission. We will be swapping the belt and belt guide. Using a T15 Torx drive, remove the 3 screws holding the guide. This has a Phillips head screw, which means someone has already been in this. And just move everything over. When reinstalling the new transmission, install the long shaft end first. Then, the short shaft. Then reinstall the 4 bolts holding the height adjusters. Reinstall the cable and connect it to the new transmission. Place the belt on the crankshaft. Then install the blade adapter with pulley. If the washer rolled on the inside, just push it back flat. Reinstall the belt cover and screws. Then the blade. Your blade should not be this worn down. The owner sharpens their own blades with a bench grinder. And tighten it down. Now tighten the 4 bolts on the height adjusters. Using some grease, apply a small amount to the shaft's ends. Then install the spur gear, washer, and snap ring. And do the same on the opposite side. Then install the discharge chute and the 5 screws, and tighten them down. Then the wheels. Make sure the center washer space in the guard plate. If the washer pops out, the smaller side faces the plate. Now, lower the mower down. This is where the 5th screw goes. Check the air filter and replace it when necessary. This one needed to be canned. Install the new filter and cover. Reconnect the spark plug. Now, let's test it out. Self-propel looks to be working properly. So, you know what that means. It looks like another one is good to go.